Minor feature updates have been made for the 2016 Audi Q5, which is a luxury compact. The 2.0 liters turbo 4 and the V6 engine, which propelled it to the top of the segment, were the two varied engine options available for the Q5, which had a starting MSRP of $40,900. Along with providing comfortable transportation for you and your passengers, the Audi Q5 was also built to handle towing tasks. In recent years, the vehicle's dependability hasn't worked in its favor. The 2016 Audi Q5 has been recalled 5 times. Additionally, the car has got 68 owners' complaints on the car complaints website. Let's take a closer look at the 2016 Audi Q5 recalls and issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Random engine stall. On the 2016 Audi Q5, there were a few issues related to the engine stalling problem. The owners reported that the car frequently stalled while being driven. The car was being driven at moderate speeds during the incidents, somewhere between 40 and 45 miles per hour. This situation could have resulted in a collision. Steering issue. A few owners reported having issues with the steering mechanism. On both occasions, the steering became too stiff to turn, and a warning sign reading not to drive the vehicle and steering failure was displayed in the instrument panel. Coolant pump issue. While many owners were worried about the recall, some owners actually had problems with the oil pump. Every time the coolant pump broke down, the concerned dealerships replaced it. Engine overheating was caused by a coolant pump failure, but there was no indicator light on in the instrument panel. Sudden acceleration. This problem with the vehicles affected 2 users. The car had been put into park mode and was idling during both incidents. The cars suddenly started moving on their own, and they crashed. Excessive oil consumption. Many users complained that their cars were using too much oil. According to some reports, oil consumption increased as driving distance increased for the vehicles. The affected vehicles needed several engine oil top-ups in a short amount of time. Recalls. There are 5 active recalls related to the 2016 Audi Q5 model year. Corrosion could cause the airbag inflator to rupture. Metal fragments from an inflator rupture could hit the driver or other passengers, seriously injuring or killing them. Fire could start from an overheated coolant pump. The risk of a fire can increase if the coolant pump overheats. Fuel leaks are more likely to start fires if there is an ignition source nearby because the fuel pump flange is susceptible to cracking. Electrical connector for auxiliary heater may melt. The melted wires could make a fire more likely. The coolant pump may short-circuit or overheat. A short-circuited or blocked pump can raise the danger of a fire. Should you buy? Almost all of your daily errands and long road trips with your family can be handled by the 2016 Audi Q5, which is a well-rounded vehicle. Recently, the SUV did experience some issues, which makes us dubious of its reputation. However, compared to the respectable sales volume of the vehicle, the number of affected vehicles is not all that high. Choosing a used Q5 would necessitate extra care during inspection and a reliable used car dealer.